Hi, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I'd like to do a review of this Truxedo Centry CT. This is one of their newest rolling covers. It is a rolling hardcover. That means it is aluminum underneath this. Now, one of the new things on this one is the material. If you notice, it has a canvas material. Kind of looks like the same material you would see on a boat. It's great for all types of weather, and it holds up very nicely. Just like in boats have the harsh salt air and salt water, this will be the same thing. Now, if you look really closely, this has got a nice flush look, very, very clean. Now, this is on a Chevy Colorado with the ZR2 package. Now, the ZR2 package does come with this nice roll bar. Now, a lot of times people come in there, can I get a cover if I have a roll bar? Well, most of the times I would say no, because the roll bar bracket actually goes inside the bed and prevents a cover from working. As you can see, at C&H here, we did install this cover. Well, basically what we end up doing is we actually trimmed the bracket and then reattach it from the top, which left it available for the cover to go inside there. Now, this cover works with a left and right, so it doesn't matter where you're standing, you can open the cover, and basically it just kind of rolls in all the way up to the front, and then you have a little strap that holds it in place. Now, this does come with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty from Truxedo. Now, if we do the installation for you, we give you a 1-year warranty as well. It's a really nice looking cover. I mean, what I like about it is how flush it is. It's just a good looking cover and does a great look for this truck. And you don't, because you got the ZR2 package, doesn't mean you cannot have a cover. As you can see, you can have a cover with this package. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you and have a great day.